Hi, welcome back to Jess Kitchen. Today I'm going to cook for afternoon tea. Fried tofu fritters. Now a lot of people doesn't like tofu. I can understand why, because it's very bland and has no taste. But I'm gonna try to make you change your mind. So this is a vegan style tofu. There's no animal product at all. So I bought just a pack of tofu in any grocery supermarket or Chinese supermarket. They sell them, a hard firm tofu. And I will be also using one medium size of Spanish onion, two to three cloves of garlic, one handful of fresh coriander, and my spice I will be using cumin seeds powder, turmeric powder, and also coriander seeds powder. Salt and pepper is always a must, and a little bit of sugar. And I will also be using corn flour to mix my tofu with, and to fry it with potato starch. So potato starch, once again, you can buy it in the normal grocery supermarket or the Chinese supermarket. Alright, to start off with, I'm just going to open up the tofu. And what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to blend it as well. But first of all, I'm going to blend the main ingredient first. The garlic and the onion and the fresh coriander is all in here. I'm going to blend it all first. So I'm going to put a bit of salt. I'm going to put the spices as well, like the cumin seeds, maybe 1 to 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, again 1 or 2 teaspoons of the turmeric powder, or maybe 1 teaspoon is enough, guys. Turmeric powder, and the coriander powder as well, just maybe 1 teaspoon, that's enough, because we have the fresh coriander as well. I'm going to put some white pepper. Too much. Maybe 2-3 dashes of white pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of sugar, maybe 1 teaspoon of sugar. That's enough. I can smell all the spices here, it's really good. So I'm just going to blend it now to make it a paste. Okay, it looks like all the onions and garlic. Oh, smells so good. I love the smell of all fresh herbs and all the cumin seeds and all that. All here. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick up the tofu, cut into small pieces, whatever you like, because you're gonna blend it, so you're gonna make it as a paste. Put it a little bit at a time. Now, because this is a vegan dish, I won't add any eggs. But if you are a non-vegan, vegetarian, or meat lovers, you can add 1 egg as well. When you are blending the tofu, you just add the egg. Alright. Alright, looks like it's becoming like a paste now, the bean curd. So what I'm gonna do next now, guys, I'm gonna add the blended ingredient, the onion, the garlic, the fresh coriander. I'm gonna put it all together with the tofu. A lot of people doesn't like tofu. My mother-in-law doesn't like tofu because she feels like it just doesn't taste anything. So I just wanted to create something that might change those people who doesn't like tofu to eat tofu. Okay, just gonna mix it all up together. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add more salt to it. Mix it all up together. I'm gonna taste it now, just to make sure it's enough salt and pepper. My goodness, it tastes so good. Doesn't need any more salt or pepper or anything like that because it's already have just enough salt and pepper. What I'm gonna add now, guys, I'm gonna add the corn flour into the mixture. Maybe about 1 or teaspoon, not teaspoon, tablespoon of corn flour. Okay. And I'm gonna mix it all up. The reason why I decided to add the corn flour, because sometimes the tofu and all the onion have some juice, water coming out like as juice. So I'm just gonna, with the flour, it will stop for it to get runny and disgusting. Okay, so now the fun part. I'm gonna turn on the frying pan to make sure the oil is hot. I'm gonna use sunflower oil. Make sure your fingers and hands are clean. Okay, you're going to take this, like a tablespoon of the tofu. Okay. Yesterday when I make this, it's so gluey. And I'm gonna straight away dip it into the potato starch. So when I fry them, it's gonna be nice and brown and crispy. Doesn't matter if it doesn't put a shape of a round ball or anything like that. It's just as long as you can fry them, that's enough for me. Alright, looks like it's all going to be fried up. Now with this dish, guys, if you have like friends coming over, it's great dish for side dishes. So make sure your pan, the oil is hot. I'm gonna test it with the small to see whether it's hot. Yep, it's definitely hot. Great temperature. So I'm just gonna start putting the tofu in there. If the heat is getting too hot, just slow it down the fire, that's fine. When I think of a dish, guys, I normally just think of what is quick and easy and delicious. So all my dishes, I always try to make less ingredients and make it tasty. Okay. Alright, I have fried the crispy fried tofu balls It's very crispy and it's really delicious. I have served it with the peanut sauce. So I will see you guys again on Jess Kitchen. Bye guys.